Hi everyone, Librarian Jennifer back with another episode of STEAM at Home. Today I'm going to show you a way to do your very own spin art machine at home. So stick around and we will get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is cut a square of cardboard and glue whatever paper you want to paint on the front. And then you'll need to poke a hole right in the center. Do that by measuring halfway on each side and then drawing across, and that should give you your center point. I'm using a nail. A thumbtack would work just as well. That's in there. To get my power drill ready, now if you are using a power drill, make sure that you have a grown-up to help you because power tools are dangerous. There are lots of ways. If you don't have power tools at home, you can try a Lazy Susan. You can try a fan if you have one that you can attach something to safely. You could try a salad spinner. Lots of different options. You just need a way for something to spin. This is what I had at home, so this is what I'm working with. I've inserted a little piece of dowel rod into my drill, and then I've attached a piece of foam onto the end. I was going to use a pencil and the eraser, but I didn't have either of those at home either. So since my drill doesn't stand up straight, it's kind of at an angle, I made a little kind of cradle for it out of cardboard just to help it stand up straight, a little bit straighter, so hopefully my artwork comes out a little neater. We'll see if this guy works. Now I'm going to attach, using the nail right into that foam, attach my paint canvas right to the top. I'm going to use a combination of markers and paint dabbers because that's what I have at home. Paint would be really good, or markers. I wouldn't do crayons or colored pencils. You need something that's a little bit runny for this project. So here we go. What I'm going to do now is, holding it with one hand, I'm going to start spinning, and with the other hand I'm going to start painting. All right, let's see. There is my spin art. You can see even though I was going in all sorts of different directions, I ended up with just a whole bunch of circles. It looks pretty cool. That would be pretty neat to give out as a gift, I think. So if you are watching on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are on Facebook, leave me a comment. Let me know how you did this at home, what you created, and let me know if you have any requests for any other videos. Don't forget to pick up your own activity, your STEAM to Go activity at the library this week. And until next Wednesday, this is Librarian Jennifer signing off. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!